Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix missed call notification not showing on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First of all, first solution you have, restart your iPhone. When missed call notification is not showing on your iPhone, so first solution you have, restart your iPhone. So then press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then mobile is automatically restart, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution you have enable notification from the setting. So then you have open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on notification, scroll up, then you have click on phone, then allow notification is turned on, then lock screen notification center banners, three options check from here, and badge turn off on your iPhone. Then second solution is not working, then third solution you have remove call blocking numbers on phone. So then you have again open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on phone. So then you have click on blocked contents, and then seen on iPhone screen. So then any numbers of blocked list available or not, so then available you have will be removed from here. Then fourth solution is not working. Fifth solution you have reset network setting on iPhone. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you click on transfer and reset, then click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have taken a passcode, then do not lose any data, only reset setting on your iPhone. Then other solution you have turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. So then again open the setting, click on focus, click on do not disturb mode is a turn off, and then you must be turn off on your iPhone. Then last solution you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then again open the setting, click on general, click on software update. So iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so must be update and install on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.